The battle between Vitamix versus Blendtec reviews. In the world of professional-grade blenders, Blendtec Total Blender and Vitamix are probably the most well-known names on the market, and the battle of Vitamix versus Blendtec rages on. They both are known for the reliability and the power of their machines, and consumers and reviewers absolutely rave about their products. But who is the better of the two? Well, we won't make that decision for you, but here's some information comparing the two best blenders, so you can make it yourself. Both of these companies make high-tech blenders that outperform every other manufacturer. Here are two of the high-tech features that these blenders have. Think about which one would be most beneficial to your kitchen. Blendtec. These blenders usually come with an LCD display that has touchpad controls. The great thing about Blendtec is that they pre-program their controls in a really unique way. With other blenders, you have to guess what setting is best for the food you're trying to blend. With Blendtec products, however, all you have to do is push one button. Blendtec blenders blend certain items at varying speeds throughout the blending process. By pressing one button, you're actually pressing about 10 and putting them in a logical order. It's a great feature if you're not familiar with blender settings and the results that they produce. Vitamix. Have you ever worked an appliance so hard that it just didn't seem to perform as vigorously as before? You don't have to worry about this with Vitamix blenders. Vitamix has given their blenders an overload protection feature. If the blender gets close to overloading or overheating, it will automatically shut off. You just have to wait about 5 to 10 minutes before using it again, and then it's working as well as ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.